You gotta dance too.
I don't dance.
Yes.
You messed up Venom. Just kidding.
No, you didn't.
Just kidding.
Well, we got Spider-Man tattoos. You gotta show a tattoo. This is Venom. Venom, you can kind of see it. Then Haley has one on her face. The glasses with Spider-Man. And I have one. I don't know where mine is. You can find it. Right there. And so we're dancing. And Jeff is sitting. What did he write? He wrote something. It's Jeff's birthday on the 24th. Okay? Happy? Make him done. This is like the Family Force 5 concert all over again. I mean, show, whatever. Oh. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Jeff is pulling his pants off.
Hey, it's me.
Yeah, it is. No. No, I win him. Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, that's your arm.
What?
His arm came off. Haley, his arm came off.
Look at his arm.
He's dead.
Aw, stop rubbing it.
It looks cool though, because his
Stop.
arm like came off.
It looks like his tongue
No, it looks
ripped
cooler.
his arm off.
It looks cooler. Like it looks. See, it's
I
like,
can't stare at your veins. That's a lamp.
I'm gonna make it look like
That's Haley.
What?
There's a mark for VIP.
Really?
And then you get the cool green checkered one for the game room. Oh my god, I want to pay for the game room just for that brand.
It's $13 though.
Okay, say bye.
It's like $3. Bye. It's like $3.
Say bye.